Hello, good morning, my dear students of grade 6. It is my second period for you, and I am ready to deliver you online education related to geography, chapter 1. The topic is moon. I want to repeat the topics moon because some of the parts has been delivered in previous days, but many of the facts or important information are remaining. So let us I start the topics moon. Dear students, you know that moon is the natural satellite of the earth. First of all, the term satellite, you have to know about the satellite. Dear students, there are two types of satellites. Satellites are of two kinds. Satellite. There are two types of satellites. They are natural satellite and second artificial satellite. There are two types of satellites. They are natural satellite and artificial satellite. Natural satellite is made up of naturally, whereas the artificial satellites are made by the scientists. It is human-made satellite, but the formation of this satellite is natural. So, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Artificial satellites, those satellites which are made by the scientists, which are made by the human beings, are known as artificial satellites. You know about the artificial, there are various artificial satellites made by scientists in our country also, Aryabhat, Rohini, and so many others. But moon is the natural satellite. It is formed naturally, and it is the natural satellite of the earth. There are various informations, various facts about the moon. Do you want to know about the moon? There are various information, various facts about the moon. Dear students, first of all, you know, the moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. It is the first information about the moon. Second, it is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. It is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. This is the second information, second fact about the moon. And third, the mass and density of the moon is much lower than the Earth's mass and density. Its diameter, the diameter of the moon is only one-sixth that of the Earth. The gravity of the moon is one-sixth that of the Earth. You can jump 6 times higher on the moon than on the Earth, because its gravity is only one-sixth of the Earth. You can jump about 6 times higher on the moon than on the Earth. Your weight on the moon will be only one-sixth than on the Earth. It is the various information about the moons. There is no life on the moon. Fourth, it orbits the Earth in about 27 days and 8 hours. It orbits the Earth in about 27 days and 8 hours. Now, the angle of the moon, the Earth and the sun changes. Therefore, we see the different stages or different phases of the moon. Dear students, these are the various facts or informations about the moon. Now, the next topic is phases of the moon. We can see different stages or different phases of the moon. What is the reason behind this? Very simple reason. The moon orbits the Earth once in a month. It takes the same time. To complete a single rotation. This is the reason, that is why we can see the different stages or different phases of the moon. Dear students, there are recognized stages of the moon. There are 8 recognized stages. There are 8 recognized stages or phases of the moon. First of all, new moon. New moon is not visible because the illuminated part of the moon does not face the Earth. That is why new moon is not visible. Second, waxing crescent. waxing crescent. This is the phase in which the moon appears to be partly but less than one half illuminated by direct rays of the sun. This is the waxing crescent. How many minutes are sir? The second phase of the moon is waxing crescent. First phase is the new moon that is not visualized on the earth because the illuminated part of the moon does not face the earth. Second, waxing crescent. Waxing crescent, when the moon appears to be partly but less than one half illuminated from the direct rays of the sun is known as waxing crescent. So first and second phases I have taught you. Next phases will be taught in next class. So I hope you will revise the topics and find out various questions from this, but I will also provide you some questions related to these topics. I have completed 2 phases of the moon. They are new moon and waxing crescent. Thank you very much.